Testing out another dash cam. This one come from a yard sale for $7. It says it's filming in 1080p. I hope this one will work good. The last one was horrible. It was like 380p. It was horrible, really bad. Maybe this one will come out better. I don't think it's adjusted over to the road right there. Maybe there. The one I really want, the Garmin 4K. But they had a lot of problems with them. They had issues. I hope this one records real good. You can set it for 1080p or 720. And I set it for 1080p. It looks like it's kind of light. It is shady outside. The sun's not out, but it doesn't look like it's that bright on the screen. I guess we'll find out when we get home and upload it. It's set right now for a 3-minute loop. It's a generic webcam made in China. I think they're all made in China, even the Garmin's made in China. There's nothing you could do about it. They don't make them in USA. I hope the timestamp doesn't stay on there all the time. Because the timestamp's not right now. The date's not right on it. We're 2 minutes and 9 seconds into a 3-minute loop. We'll see how it works out when I get home. Nothing could be worse than that last one that I just uploaded. It was horrible. This I think needs the lux moved on it so it can see lower. It looks really dark on the screen right now. I'll know when I get back home.